Hello and welcome. This is lesson 1.9, and we will be looking at troubleshooting connection issues. When the internet stops working, many people panic or assume something is broken. In this lesson, I will show you simple steps to troubleshoot connection issues so you know what to check before calling for help. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify common internet and network problems, perform basic troubleshooting steps, understand when an issue is simple and when to ask for help, feel more confident handling connection issues. And I believe you've heard this terminology before, troubleshooting. So if something is trouble, then obviously it's a problem. And if you're shooting something down, then you're trying more or less to kill it. So we're trying to find solutions here. So troubleshooting means identifying a problem step by step and checking simple things first. And the emphasis is on simple things first. Most connection problems are not serious. They are usually small issues that can be fixed quickly. The key is to stay calm and follow a process. Now, I want us to look at some of the connection problems that we will encounter as users of technology. So we have examples like no internet connection, or you probably have your Wi-Fi connected and you don't have access to the internet. Or you're connected, but there seems to be a slow network, slow internet. Your apps are not loading properly. And these problems happen to everyone. So what do we do whenever we come into such situations? So the basic checks, we're going to start here. So first of all, you need to check your connection. And how do you do that? By asking these questions. Are you connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data? That's the first step. And check, is your airplane mode off? Maybe you've mistakenly turned it on. That's why you don't have connection. The next step is to check the signal strength. So weak signals can usually cause slow or no internet. Then after you've gone through step 1, step 2, and you're still having issues, then you just restart your device or your router, which fixes many of the problems. Then if that doesn't work, then you move on to the next step where you check data or subscription. So you need to ask yourself these questions. Is your data bundle finished? If it is, then you need to top up. Is your internet subscription active? If it's not active, then you need to subscribe. So these simple checks solve many issues. And I want us to draw a distinction between the Wi-Fi and device problems. And sometimes the problem is not your device, it's probably your network. Then you can also try connecting another device to the same network. And if no device works, the issue is likely the network. Then if only your device has a problem, then you focus on what device settings. And you know how to get there because we've treated this in our previous lessons. So if you missed that, kindly go back to check that out. And it's so okay to ask for help. So how do you ask for help? So you can ask for help from your internet service provider, from the IT support, or the network administrator. And whenever you're asking for help, please explain what you've already checked, what is not working, and any error messages that you probably see on your screen. And this will help whoever is providing the support to give you the best advice that's going to lead to a resolution of the issue. Great stuff. So this is what I want you to do. Just pause the video and you can turn your Wi-Fi off and on. And you also need to restart your device. Try that and check your mobile data settings and identify who to contact for support. And doing this will help build the confidence that you need. So let's wrap this up. And what have we achieved in this short few minutes? What troubleshooting means? Now you know what troubleshooting means. Common connection problems and the simple steps to check first, and how to identify network versus device issues and when to ask for help. In the next lesson, we'll wrap up this section with a level 1 summary and a review, bringing everything together. And I'm going to give you an assessment which you'll need to try. And once you pass, you can request for a certificate. And if this lesson helped you, please subscribe to the channel to receive all new lessons as I release them. Let's keep building your digital confidence step by step. Thank you and see you in the final lesson for our level 1, where I'll give you an assessment to test your understanding. God bless. Bye-bye for now.